Just when I thought I got my island girl to stay with me, I should have known better when she started missing the sea. Yeah, I could see it deep in her eyes. She was dreaming about those island nights. She's from the islands, I can tell by the way she sways when the reggae plays. And judging by the smile written on her face, she belongs by the waves. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see an island girl needs to be free. Drinking rum all by myself, just choosing paradise again.